How are you doing, Math Made Easy fans? So today, we have another great video for you. Try to get this glare out of, yeah, that's better. We have another great video for you guys today, and we're still sticking on the trigonometry topic. We're going to be covering the law of cosines today, and the law of cosines is actually a pretty big topic. I think it's a little bit heftier than the law of sines myself, and I've been noticing that shorter videos have been more successful on the channel lately, so I'm planning on subdividing it into 2, maybe 3 parts. So that's what I'm going to do, and we're going to talk about the first part and the main part. Probably the first part you will have learned or are going to learn in your high school math classes. And this is basically the formula. We have C equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times the cosine of y, which is going to be this angle, right? Here we see a, here we see b. So what this is saying is that we can find this side if we know these two sides and the angle in between them. That makes sense, you know, knowing some stuff from geometry, that makes some sense. There's a way to do that, and this is the way, using cosines. So we will have 8 and 11 as a and b. Cool. So we will just need to plug this in. You will often see this written without the square root sign and just saying c squared. That's saying the exact same thing. So don't stress out if your math teacher happens to write it in that way. Both me and your math teacher are perfectly correct. So let's get on with this. So 8 squared, what's that going to be? I hope that we can all know that that is 64. Okay? 11 squared is 121. And then minus 2ab. Okay, what am I noticing here? This is very similar to just the, like x plus y squared, a plus b all squared. It's looking kind of similar to that, but instead of like, yeah, it's actually looking very similar. We just have the one difference of the, minus 2ab instead of the plus 2ab. And yeah, that's just something I noticed that I think is very interesting. But AB is just going to be 8 times 88. So then this plus 2 times 88. What is 2 times 88? Hopefully this is a familiar fact. That's 176. And then this times the cosine of y, which we see is 54. That's a little bit hard to see, but you can see I'm trying to write 54. And this is in degrees. So here we got our calculator. I'm just using my computer for the purpose of this, because I left my calculator somewhere, and it is this, okay? So we have that, and then we're going to try to multiply that by 176. Then we're going to add 64, add 121, and we will get this, and it is the root of this number. So how do you do this? Root 288.45, and here we have it, folks. 16.98 is going to be our answer to this question. So thanks for tuning in to this little short video, Math Made Easy fans. Part 2 coming out tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe, do all of that cool stuff. And most importantly, have a great day.